Hello, I'm Bori and it's Bori's Korean. Look at this adorable baby with a snack bag. She got this bag from the nursery school she just enrolled in earlier this month. So this bag is officially the first school bag for my baby, which will be in my stomach by this time tomorrow. Anyway, she is about to start her first school life in her entire life. I'm so excited to be a parent of a schooler. A few days later, we are reviewing the school handout to prepare school supplies. Yeah.
Oh my
to be honest,
God!
My baby is just tearing up the piece of paper. It's only me who cares about it, of course. We say 준비물, 준비물 for the things to prepare in advance for the class. There are some things to buy except for the documents and the ones we already have. These are things to buy for us. 낮잠 이불 세트, 칫솔, 치약, 양치컵. Are you familiar with the word 낮잠 이불 세트 and 양치컵? 낮잠 이불 세트 is a set of baby blankets designed to make it convenient for babies to take a nap at a nursery. Since it's a bedding set, it includes cover and pillowcase as well. 낮잠 이불 세트. 낮잠 이불 세트. I bought it online in advance with a reasonable price. We are on our way to a mart to buy other things. Here you can see 양치컵. 양치컵 refers to a light plastic cup used to rinse mouth when babies brush their teeth. Do you like it, baby? If you like it, I like it too. Oops, my baby is getting bored. We should get hurry. Here to buy a toothbrush and toothpaste. And the most important preparations, my snacks. Not for my babies. Yay! Cause I will definitely feel empty when she really goes to school. I'm sure I need something to fill me up. Those are only for that purposes, you know? So, you are all set now. Let's go to school, my love. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Have a adorable